My USDJPY buy bias still stand. From this very point, market is still going to move all the way upward, and this very outlook is what I'll be talking about in this very video. And we understand that tomorrow, which is Friday, is the non-farm payroll data from the United States right here. So all of these, what does it mean to us as traders, especially USDJPY traders? Is this market going to go all the way to the upside, or we're going to see the market begin to have a decline and then begin to move upward again? All of these in this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you look at USDJPY, I was talking about the market moving upward, that even though we see the market come back down a little bit, just like we see in this very case, and that market is still going to move all the way upward. And that is what I am still expecting, despite the fact that tomorrow is the non-farm payroll from the United States. The only thing we can see tomorrow is a little bit of drop, which is a possibility right now, before the market will still move upward. And on the 1-day chart right here, expect the market to still move up to this very point of important support, which will turn resistance at this very area. So we have support here, we have support at this very point, which will turn resistance right at this very area before the market is going to come back down for a significant retracement on the 1-day chart. What this also means is, even though you see the market begin to go back down a little bit after the non-farm payroll data released tomorrow from this very area to the downside a little bit, expect the market after that small movement, market is going to move upward, okay, because that is the long-term projection for USDJPY right now, and that is what I am personally looking at right now on this very chart. Stochastic RSI indicator right at this very point, you discover that the market is already at overbought condition at this very point, but the market has not come out of overbought condition yet, and also the orange line is still below the blue line at this very point, which means markets still have capacity to stay within this very area of overbought condition. So market have tendency of moving upward, okay, and that is also what I am expecting on the price action. So what you need to do right now is to pay attention to buying the market on the 1-day chart, to be very specific, and this is very important right now if you are a USDJPY trader. If you look at the 4-hour chart right here, market move from this point all the way upward, and then we have retracement. Remember, I've been looking at buying the market all this while, and I said keep buying the market. So right now, market move all the way to this very point, and we are at a very important level of resistance. See it here, resistance at this very point right here is going to turn out to be resistance at this very point where the market is right now as well, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now, and that is what I am expecting. So this resistance on the 4-hour chart is going to resist the market, and market is going to come back down for good retracement, because if the market move all the way from here, impulsive move, we have retracement, impulsive move, and the market is going to retrace before continuation again all the way to the upside. So right now on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to retrace back down before continuation all the way to the upside. Remember, the 1-day chart is a long-term outlook, which means the 1-day chart can be very dull in moving all the way to the upside, but the market will still move upward. But the 4-hour chart is going to drop back down before continuation all the way to the upside. So right now is not the best time to buy on the 4-hour chart. Rather, wait for market to come back down a little bit, and then after retracement will be the best time to buy for the market to continue upward. And I'll be updating you as well on this very channel. And if you take a look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is already at overbought condition, which is at this very point. Market have high capacity of coming back to the downside. The orange line have crossed over the blue line, and this is very important for market to come back down a little bit, and this very move downward will be confirmed once this very stochastic RSI indicator move out of the overbought condition, crossing the 8% line at this very area. And this is what I am expecting right now on the USDJPY 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart right now, don't buy the market, don't sell the market. Allow the market to retrace back down, and after retracement will be the right time to take a buy position all the way to the upside, because from the 1-day chart, market is still going to move upward, and this is what I am personally expecting. So if you are a USDJPY trader, consider looking at this outlook in this direction and see how it apply with your strategy. And for Euro USD, if you look at it, market is coming back down right now. I talk about market not moving any significant all the way to the upside, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right at this very point. So market is coming back down for Euro USD. I believe this very move, if it cross this level of important support, then that means market is going to begin to move downward significantly before retracement and then continuation back to the downside. And this is what I am now focusing on right now on 1-day chart Euro USD. And if you look at the 1-week chart, which is a very important chart we need to pay attention to, is for the market coming back down. Okay, so we have a very strong resistance right here on the 1-week chart, resistance right here on the 1-week chart. What do you think will happen to the market? The market on the long term is going to come back down significantly before they move upward. And if there is a breakout on this very level of resistance right at this very point on the 1-week chart, then that means market is going to move upward as well. So resistance here is very important right now for market moving upward. So for the long term on the Euro USD 1-week chart, expect the market to move downward in line also with what the 1-day is talking about. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now if you are a Euro USD trader. So see how this align with your strategy and what you are looking at in your setup. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching.